In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase health insurance online for an Australia student visa. Before you begin buying your overseas student health cover, or OSHC, make sure you've already received your letter of offer from your Australian education provider. Once you have that, accept the offer and get ready for enrollment because those details will help you complete the insurance process correctly. The next step is choosing an approved OSHC provider. In many cases, your school may recommend a provider for you, which can make the process simpler. However, you can also buy your policy directly from an approved Australian OSHC insurer. The important thing to remember is that OSHC is mandatory for the full length of your student visa, so your coverage needs to match your stay in Australia. Once you've decided which provider to use, go to that provider's website and look for a button such as Get a quote or buy now. This will take you to the online application or quote form. At this stage, you'll need to enter your personal and study details carefully. Typically, this includes your full name exactly as it appears on your passport, your date of birth, passport number, nationality, email address, your Australian education provider, your course start and end dates, and your visa type, which is Student Visa Subclass 500. It's a good idea to double check every field before moving on, since even a small mismatch can cause issues later. Next, select your policy period. This part is very important because your OSHC must cover your entire stay in Australia. If the coverage dates are too short, it may affect your visa application. So take a moment to confirm the start and end dates carefully. After that, review the quote you're given and choose the plan that fits your situation. Depending on your circumstances, this may be a single, couple, or family policy. Read through the quote clearly so you understand what you're purchasing before continuing. When everything looks correct, go ahead and pay online using a credit card, debit card, or any other payment option offered by the provider. Once your payment is successful, the insurer will send you a certificate of insurance by email. Keep this document safe because it serves as your proof of health insurance. Finally, use that certificate of insurance when you submit your Australian student visa application through IMI account, together with your confirmation of enrollment, or COE. With that done, you'll have completed the health insurance step required for your student visa process.